Hey guys, welcome back. So far, we have implemented the merging functionality by selecting the multiple PDF files and merging into one. And second feature is we have implemented by splitting. Okay, so split a PDF file either with the page range, or you can say like either extract the single page. Okay, and create a separate PDF file for that. Second feature we have implemented creating a PDF file using multiple images, or you can say like single image. Okay. Fourth feature we have implemented protecting your PDF file. Okay. And now last but not least, we have to implement the unlocking feature of the PDF file. Okay. So let's get started. So first you can see Python script. Okay. You can see. Okay. And if it will check if the password is incorrect, then you can see here it will give the incorrect password. Okay, and now let me show you the PDF toolkit function. You can see the code is same. Okay, this is redundant. Okay, so you can define this code piece of block in the main activity. Okay, now let also there is no need to create a separate Python instance. You just need to dynamically pass the parameters. Okay, so there is no need to call this as a separate function. Okay, because you can see here the code is kind of same. Okay, so we have to remove the redundancy, or you can say like code repetition. Okay, from here to let me show you the view model code. You can see here it will take the input path and password. Okay, and it will unlock the calling the unlock PDF toolkit function. Okay, and let me show you the screen as well of it. We have used the same code. Okay, but on a separate screen. Okay, I'm observing the state. Select as state with life cycle. Selected URL, selected name, password. Okay, and again this launcher is redundant. You can just simply create a one launcher and reuse the instance. Okay, instead of calling again, creating a new launcher again and again. Okay, and if the output is successful, then this block is launched. Otherwise, if the error is something wrong, then this block is launched. Okay, and I have to define the type as well. Okay, of the launcher. Okay, application folder slash PDF. Okay, and I have I need to collect the correct password. Okay, otherwise it will give you the error. Okay, and that's it. Let's run the application again. Let's select the application PDF file. Let's run the application again. You can see here. Okay, let's say I am going to give the incorrect password. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and let me give the correct password. PDF unlock successfully. Okay, so let's test the PDF file by going into the files, and you can see here. That's it. In future videos, I am going to implement a more feature in the PDF toolkit. Okay, if you have any question or query, then let me know in the comments. Okay, the UI is simple, but you can enhance the UI because I'm not focusing on the UI part right now, but you can. Okay, alright, see ya, bye bye.